Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
So you want to know how to check your Federal Reserve account? Let's get right to the point. You can't, because individual American citizens and businesses do not have accounts with the Federal Reserve. It's a very common misconception, so let's break down what's really going on. The Federal Reserve, or the Fed, is the central bank of the United States. Think of it as the bank for banks. Your bank, whether it's a huge national brand like Chase or a small local credit union, has an account with the Federal Reserve. This is how banks move massive amounts of money between each other and access services from the central bank. But the Fed does not offer services like checking accounts, savings accounts, or personal loans to the general public. Its job is much bigger. It's focused on the health of the entire U.S. economy. The Fed's main responsibilities include managing the nation's money supply, setting key interest rates that influence the cost of borrowing across the country, and supervising the banking system to ensure it's safe and stable. You might be wondering why you've heard about this. One reason is that you see the words Federal Reserve Note printed on every US dollar bill. This simply means that the cash in your hand is a liability of the Federal Reserve and is the official currency of the United States. It doesn't mean you have a personal deposit account there. Another point of confusion often comes from the U.S. Treasury Department. You absolutely can have an account with the Treasury through a service called Treasury Direct. This is where you can buy and manage U.S. savings bonds, Treasury bills, and other government securities directly from the government. However, the Treasury Department and the Federal Reserve are two completely separate entities. The Treasury manages the government's revenue and debt, while the Fed manages monetary policy. So, if you're looking to check on your money, you need to log into your account with your personal bank or credit union. If you've invested in government bonds, you'd check your Treasury Direct account. The Federal Reserve is a critical institution that works behind the scenes, but your day-to-day financial life happens with your commercial bank. Understanding this difference is a huge step in becoming more financially literate. We hope this explanation cleared things up. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and want more simple, direct answers to your financial questions, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content.